Okay, so the first thing is kind of visualize what they're asking you to do. And this is going to be a curve. It looks like we're starting at 0, and the curve is x cubed, and stopping at 1. So it'll be 1, 1 over here. And it's sort of like this over here. And what are they doing? It's a surface area. It's not an arc length. And they're revolving this thing about the x-axis. So it's revolved like this over here. My take on this over here is, I understand that it would require me to generate strips like this over here. Right, that's the one thing I want to get across to you. There's going to be strips over here. So I'm going to go along the x's, and let's write this down. So it's going to be, well, let's take a look. You're going to get 0 to 1, and I want to do the length of the strip first. And the length of the strip is going to be, well, it has to do with the radius of this, because it wraps around. And the radius is actually equal to y. All right, what's y equal to? Well, the y is just x cubed. So what's the radius going to be? It's going to be x cubed. And the circumference is going to be 2 pi x cubed. It's going to be the length over here. This is the arc length. And that's going to be 1 plus. Well, let's see, I got to do the dy dx, which is 3x squared. And I got to square that, which is 9x4. Now, this is certainly different than the first one we did. They want me to find the area, all right, the surface area. Now, I think I have the integral for it. Now what I got to do is I got to do the integration, all right? What I would probably do is make a substitution. And the substitution I would make is u equals 1 plus 9x4. And the du would equal 36x cubed dx. Well, let me put this in. I'm going to start with the limits of integration first. So when the limit's 0, I'm going to move to land of u's, and that would be 1 plus 0, which is 1. Fairly simple. And if the limit is 1, what would the be in the land of u's? That would be 1 plus 9, which is 10. I'm going to pull out the 2 pi and get my eraser out and be a little careful with this. And I just pulled this out. I'm going to do this now, and this will be u to the 1/2 power. And I got the x cubed dx now. I'm looking at the x cubed dx. And I see over there, what's that going to be? 1/36 of a du. So I'll put this over here. Whoops. 36 of a du. And I can do the integration now. We're going to get, well, I'm going to simplify that constant, which can be pi over 18. The antiderivative, I'm going to increase it by 1. That's going to be 3/2. I'm going to divide by 3/2, same thing as multiplying by 2/3. And that's going to be from 1 to 10. Let's see what you get over there. And kind of simplify it. 2 goes in 18 9 times, so pi over 27. And then you're going to get, well, u to the 3/2 is just a 1 and 1/2. So I can say, 10 root 10 minus, and 1's easy because it's going to be 1 root 1, which is just 1. And I got my answer over here. Let's write that down. It's going to be 10 root 10 minus 1 over 27, and we're multiplying by pi. All right, let's look at the k, see how we did. And I'm looking at the final result, and I'm seeing the 10 root 10 minus 1. I'm seeing the 27 and pi. We're done. I see there's an approximation over here. You're not expected to do approximation on exams, by the way. Thank you.